What's going on, guys? So this is the cheap eBay kit that I picked up. The quality of it, this is like obviously laser cut aluminium. It's really light, but it feels really sturdy. And then these bits are steel. They look powder coated or Cerakoted or something. I'm assuming powder coated for that kind of price, but yeah, really good quality. I'm actually surprised. I thought it was going to be pretty much shit for the price. But I'll put the link to what I bought up on the screen. So if you guys are interested, you can pick one up for yourself. And that's just going to sit on the back of the bike. I'm assuming pretty much like that. We'll go ahead and install it. And like I was saying in that last video, this is the TST Industries light that I picked up from a subscriber. So that's just normal. When you hold the brake, it kind of flashes like that. And it has the sequential indicators as well. Really nice and bright too. All factory wiring harness and everything. Looks kind of like jet plane engines or something. It looks pretty self-explanatory. It just seems like it just goes on these bolts. So there's this one here and this one here, and it has a bunch of spaces. It didn't come with any instructions or anything, but being eBay, I didn't expect that. So let's just wing it. I'm using this Osmo Pocket 3 that I borrowed from my mate as well. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I think that goes like that. Yeah, so it needs those spaces. It comes with these longer Allen keys. In my experience, these often rust out. I might use the factory washers off those other bolts though. Oh, it lines up perfect. Crazy. So there is some deals to be had on eBay still, guys. So that just goes on there like so with the little spacer. You can see better on that one. That's solid. Let's chuck the other side on. All right, so that's the two brackets, if you can see. And then the plate obviously just mounts on these. You can get a little bird's eye view of it. And then, yeah, the plate just sits like that. It's actually pretty cool. Clearance for the tail light. Side view there. It's probably not something I'd run all the time, but I think it's going to do the job. It didn't come with washers for those, but I might find some, which I have here anyway, just so it doesn't screw up the finish and rust. It's a pretty solid setup. I'm going to guess they are 13 mil. Oh, bang on. Sick. I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty sturdy. There you have it, guys. All installed. That was easy as. Spacers, like I was showing you earlier. All right, I'm real happy with that, guys. It's for the price, it's pretty good. It's not adding heaps of weight to it either, and it's like flush enough with the seat. But if I put my Krager US 30 on there, that's perfect. All set for a road trip, I reckon, fellas and ladies. After there's many of you girls, let's strap it down properly and see what it looks like. So yeah, just these corners of the metal are quite sharp, and I think that will probably eventually cut through these straps. I might be wrong, but it's just a little bit sharp, so I might wrap some like tape or foam or something around them. There you have it, guys. I've packed it all up. So that is the Krager US 30 dry pack, like I was saying earlier. I'll give you guys the angles. So back and the other side. So that has everything in it to camp, like the house part. So I have a Nemo tent in there. I have a inflatable mattress, a pillow, and a decent sized sleeping bag all in there. And I'm still planning on getting some soft bags for the sides. So, I mean, with that and my SW Motec tank bag, as soon as that bracket gets here, I think we're good to go. No blockages with the tail light or anything like that, safety wise. So if I'm a car, I'm about here, go to the side, you can still see everything, tail lights and all that. Still plenty of room for the seat as well. I can't feel that on my back or anything like that. Maybe if I sit on the bike, you guys will be able to see a better angle. I don't know if that shows it very well, but that's it. Luggage number 1.